Telling time in English. It's 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's 2:30, 2:30. It's 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. It's 6:30, 6:30. It's 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's 2:30, 2:30. It's 20 to 6, 5:40. It's 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's 20 to 1, 12:40. It's 9:30, 9:30. It's 4:30, 4:30. It's 4:30, 4:30. It's 7:30, 7:30. It's 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock. It's 8:30, 8:30. It's 3:30, 3:30. It's 20 to 8, 7:40. It's 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock. It's 20 past 1, 1:20. It's 1:45, 1:45. It's 20 past 10, 10:20. It's 9:45, 9:45. It's 20 past 4, 4:20. It's 20 past 4, 4:20. It's 20 past 5, 5:20. It's 12:30, 12:30. It's 1:45, 12:45. It's 12:30, 12:30. It's 20 to 12, 11:40. It's 12:30, 12:30. It's 20 to 12, 11:40. It's 3:45, 3:45. It's 11:30, 11:30. It's 4:45, 4:45. It's 20 past 7, 7:20. It's 7:15, 6:45. It's 6:15. 6:15. It's 7:45, 7:45. It's 7:15, 6:45. It's 20 past 11, 11:20. It's 10:15, 10:15. It's 5:15, 5:15. It's 10:45, 10:45. It's 11:45, 11:45. It's 5 minutes to 9, 8:55. It's 5 minutes to 4, 3:55. It's 5 minutes to 1, 12:55. It's 3:15, 3:15. It's 11:45, 11:45. It's 5 minutes past 2, 2:05. It's 5 minutes past 6, 6:05. It's 5 minutes to 7, 6:55. It's 5 minutes to 3, 2:55. It's 5 minutes to 7, 6:55. It's 5 minutes to 3, 2:55. It's 5 minutes past 4, 4:05. It's 11:15, 11:15. It's 5 minutes past 3, 3:05. It's 5 minutes past 8. 8:05. It's 5 minutes past 11. 11:05.